Billionaire investor exposed this. This is huge news for Cardano. Shocking Cardano news today. The technology company responsible for building Cardano ADA is upgrading the network as it pushes for the next phase of the blockchain's development. Today we're going to talk all about the huge news about Cardano, which can push the ADA price higher. So watch the video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you are interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 16th of December, shall we? Cardano price continues to trade lower, but has trade opportunities on both sides of the market. A breakdown below the current support level may only yield a short-term price collapse before a massive rally begins. Cardano price faces a major uphill battle, but is better positioned than most for a surprise rally. Cardano price has a possible long entry on its weekly chart. The theoretical long entry is a buy stop at $1.33, a stop loss at $1.2, and a profit target at $3. Cardano must close at or slightly above the $1.33 entry level for the entry to be valid. Cardano price action is in a mixed situation when developing a clear directional bias. The trend on the daily chart is clearly bearish, but shows signs of exhaustion. On the other hand, the weekly chart is clearly bullish and showing signs of converting into a bear market. One thing that's consistent on the daily chart is the shared support zone of 30 in the relative strength index, and one other oscillator on each time frame showing extreme oversold conditions. Now let's get back to the topic. Input-Output Hong Kong, IOHK, says that Cardano is seeing a significant increase in users and transactions after it deployed smart contract capability for the network with the rollout of the Alonzo upgrade in September. Recent hard forks adding native tokens and smart contract capability have brought many new users into the Cardano ecosystem, and we've seen rapid growth and spikes in transaction volumes and network traffic. IOHK says that the number of transactions has risen over 20 times in a span of 1 year, from less than 10,000 per day in November 2020 to over 200,000 transactions per day. To accommodate the substantial growth in traffic, the company says it's increasing Cardano's block size by 12.5%, from 8 kilobytes to 72 kilobytes. Larger block sizes means that more transactions can fit into a block, thus providing greater capacity for users. Being able to fit 12.5% more transactions into a block is significant, as it means that we're processing more transactions per second, or we argue a more useful metric, greater data throughput. IOHK also says that it's now moving forward into the next era of the Cardano roadmap, the Basho phase, which aims to optimize and improve the scalability and interoperability of the network. With a secure, highly decentralized proof-of-stake network now firmly established and core smart contract capability deployed, we're now heading into the Basho phase, focused on optimization, scaling, and network growth. After clocking gains of nearly 1,200% this year, outperforming heavyweights Bitcoin and Ether, cryptocurrency Cardano has also managed to hit a key milestone of 20 million transactions. This was achieved without a single outage in the 4 years of its existence. However, Cardano has been facing criticism from users lately for the slow ushering in of key upgrades to its network. Cardano had reached 2 million wallets online with an uptick in traffic as of the end of November. Its daily transactions surged to over 200,000 per day at the end of last month, from less than 10,000 per day at the same time last year. This, in turn, prompted the developers to reconsider the size of each block on the blockchain to accommodate more transactions in each block. Anticipating a robust growth in network traffic, Input-Output Hong Kong, IOHK, announced an increase in the size of the blocks. IOHK, the company behind Cardano, is an engineering firm that develops cryptocurrencies and blockchains for government entities, institutions, and corporations on the Cardano blockchain. Cardano is now focusing on optimizing network growth and scalability. With an increased block size, it's equipped to handle more transactions per second, thus significantly improving throughput. Like Ethereum, Cardano blockchain allows for execution of self-executing smart contracts. The decentralized blockchain has a multitude of other uses in the banking and financial sphere. However, what makes it different is the speed of transactions. It processes about 250 per second versus Ethereum's 30 per second, according to a Nasdaq report. Cardano's cryptocurrency ADA currently has more than 33 billion coins in circulation. However, the number of coins has been capped at 45 billion. A cap on supplies is expected to drive gains. However, ADA has been on a downtrend for some time. The crash is likely due to a trading platform, eToro, announcing it will delist the coin by the end of the year in the United States due to regulatory concerns. eToro said US users will not be able to open new ADA or TRX positions starting on the 26th of December 2021. Cardano's proof-of-stake ADA token and its less energy consumption model are gaining a lot of attention in the cryptocurrency sphere. It has excellent scalability. Although the digital token can process 250 transactions per second for now, it's eventually expected to touch 1 million in the coming years. According to a report, unique addresses currently staking ADA coins have grown nearly 7% in the last 30 days. This has happened after the digital token reached a 1 million transaction milestone in the last month. With newly added features and increasing adoption, Cardano is gaining traction like never before. At the center of its POS mechanism, there are 3,100 stake pools managed by operators who are in charge of the network's distributed nodes. Cardano's parent company, IOHK, has also unleashed the new initiative to support its ongoing drive towards full decentralization with the launch of a new peer-to-peer P2P testnet. Over the next few years, Cardano will significantly increase its value as mass adoption is already on its way. Although it's unclear whether ADA's market capitalization will grow much or not, one thing for sure is the anticipated price growth. After hitting a record high in September, ADA fell back to a moderate value as traders took profit. According to predictions, Cardano is projected to reach $3 in 2022 from its current value of $2. The digital token will further climb to an average of $4.87 in 2025 and touch $7.32 in 2028. Many factors are driving Cardano's price towards a massive surge in 2022. Some of them are listed as follows. Cardano is also expected to enter the institutional adoption circle in the future. As the investment grows, its value will also increase. Market focus of supply and demand is expected to keep ADA on its heels. As the cryptocurrency has a restricted supply, demand-side factors are more detrimental to the price determination than the supply side. Its environmentally friendly features also contribute to its growth and make the digital token stand out from Bitcoin and Ethereum buzz. The crypto network has also gotten a software update that is all set to position it as the biggest rival for Ethereum. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!